How do you cook birds? 500 degrees Fahrenheit high. Small birds need high heat to cook to the desired doneness of medium rare to medium at most. Cooking at a lower heat runs the risk of drying out the bird before it reaches the desired doneness of medium. Higher heat is also necessary to achieve the nice skin color you want.
We cook ours at 325 degrees, and estimate it will take about 7 to 10 minutes per pound. Pastured birds cook in almost half the time. Give up their moisture. We cook our bird breast side down, on a rack.
Tinatanong din ng mga daw. How to cook a wild bird. Directions. In the bottom of a heavy pot, fry the onion and garlic. Add the birds and brown on all sides. Add the nuts and mushrooms. Cook for several minutes. Add ale, water and bay leaves. Bring to a boil, cover and simmer gently for 2 to 2 minutes hours, until the meat is falling off the bone. Remove the birds.